As long as you're winning in life, then you're gonna be okay. My topic: the need for disability income. The need for disability income. I got a few points, and I'm going to take my seat. That sound familiar to anybody? Right? I got a few points, and I'm going to take my seat. Anyway, the need for disability income. I remember when I first went into this industry full time. I remember going home and having a conversation, and I was like, I want to do this full time. And the first thing that came to mind is say, you know what? What if you get sick? What if you can't work? You need to get disability income. And thank God, I've only had to use it one time. And that was in 2014 when I fell and broke my right shoulder. And but here's the good news, that I could still talk, which means I could still do business. And so that was the good news. So I didn't have to worry about that. Our greatest asset, ladies and gentlemen, is our ability to earn an income. Once that's taken away, all things changes. All things change, right? So let's talk about the need for disability. And we talked a little bit about it last week, but think about this. We got to protect our income, right? So the bottom line is this. You go to work, you earn an income. That's it. Doesn't matter if you work a W-2, 1099, or whatever it is. That income needs to be protected. And then we pay taxes, right? We got to pay the government. We understand that. We got to pay Uncle Sam, right? And then, when you think about it, in a lot of cases, we're throwing away our wealth in the way of taxes, right? We're paying too much taxes. We're doing it unknowingly and unnecessarily. We're transferring our wealth away from us in taxation, how we make our major purchases, college planning, how we fund our tax-free retirement at work. We are overpaying on mortgages, trying to get out of debt. At American Classic Agency, we have a better way to show you how to do those things by using other people's money. So you go to work, you earn an income, you pay taxes, and then you save for retirement and emergencies, and you support your standard of living. That's what we do. When everything is going well, that's what we do. We earn an income, we pay taxes, and we save for retirement and emergencies to support our same standard of living. But what happens when we're not working? Right? One day we're going to stop working. Hopefully it won't be to a disability, but disability can derail all your plans if you don't have disability income. Disabled and not working, here's what happens, right? Your income stops or it decreases, one or the other. But guess what? Your bills don't stop. The bill collectors, that mortgage company don't care if you're disabled. They want a payment every month. That car you drive, still that note needs to be paid whether you're disabled or not. The bank doesn't care. They want a check every month, right? Your expenses could increase because now we're dealing with medical stuff now, right? Here's what else could happen. Now you exhaust your savings and investments to support your lifestyle. That's what happens when the income stops. And then we have to borrow now. And, we start going out and borrowing at whatever interest rates, 24, 25, 30%, so that we can maintain the same standard of living. Disability income is the missing link to most people's portfolio. Yeah, you got life insurance, hopefully. If not, give us a call at 301-794-4290, and we can make sure you get the proper amount of life insurance, right? That's the main thing. Protect income first. Don't worry about what kind it is. Protect your income first. So, with disability income, we have a very good company that we do disability with who has been around for over 100 years. I ain't going to call out their name, but if you want to know, give us a call, inbox me, and I could actually give you some illustrations so you can see what's going on. But with disability restores your cash flow, right? You got to have cash flow to operate. Any business does, any household does. You got to have cash flow. That's what disability income does. It reduces financial stress. A lot of people are in the ground today, not because of medical reasons, but because stress brought on medical reasons. Financial stress, worrying about making ends meet. And I've been doing this long enough now to know I can tell people to have a pension and don't worry about money. They just seem to be upbeat, not worried about nothing. Financial stress, right? And then if you got disability and your cash flow has been restored, now you can still save money for yourself and your future, right? So that stuff is so important. Disability can change anybody's household. If you really sit back and think about it, most of the foreclosures is not due to an adjustable rate mortgage. It's due to I call it one of the 3Ds. Someone died, someone got divorced, and the one person couldn't stay there. And the third one is someone got disabled, right? And the fourth one is this: someone got downsized from employment. We can help you with that too. We are hiring. We're looking for people that have a heart to serve and a willingness to help other people. So here are some of the things you got to consider when you're looking at disability income. Look at what your employer offers, right? Look at the total amount that you need to pay all your household bills and save, right? You got to have income coming in to do that. But you also got to consider, how long can I go? What's the waiting period? How long can I go based on what I've already saved, right? Some people, it's none. Just a few weeks ago, people were panicking about the government shutdown, right? But some people, it would have been a vacation. So we got to decide which we want to play on. It's going to happen again. This time, are we going to be prepared for it? It could be disability that could make sure in the event you become disabled, your bills can still get paid, right? And then we also got to think about the length of the payout. If you became disabled today, how long do you need that money? Is it 6 months? Is it 18 months? Is it 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years? So when you design a plan, you have to decide, if I become disabled, how long do I have to wait for it to kick in, number one? And number two, how long do I need it to pay? And it could be a lifetime or to age 65 or whatever the case is. So those are the things you have to consider. The need for disability is rising even more now because of all the crazy stuff we got going on in the world today. You know what I mean? I was just at homecoming this past weekend, had a great time, and then someone started shooting. I mean, anything could happen to anybody anytime, and you can become disabled. So if you don't have disability, and you should have disability, then give us a call. We can help you with that. This is Disability Awareness Month, the month of October, and it's also Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And so we have programs that can help everybody with heart attack, stroke, cancer. The prices are very good, and with companies that have been around for over 100 years. So give us a call at 301-794-4290, and we can help you. It's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. Next week, I'll see you again next Tuesday at 5 o'clock. Talk to you later. Have a great day.